Good morning, guys.
Hi, it's Ben. Welcome to my vlog. Umagang kay lamig na naman. Napakahirap maligo sa umaga. Ako pa yung kahulihang maligo, so nauubusan ako ng hater, guys. Kapag ako na yung naliligo, malamig na yung tubig. Hirap na hirap ako maligo. So, nandiyan na po si tatay. Pasado alas 5 na kami nakaalis, guys. Kanya-kanyang idlip sa inuupuan. At wala pang 20 minutes, guys. Nandito na kami sa aming company at mag-time in. Kung naghahanap ka ng sign, ito na yun. As a kuya advice for you guys, if you're given an opportunity to move abroad, whether to study or to work or for whatever reason, especially if you're still young, maybe you're in your mid-20s or early 30s, masasabi kong i-grab nyo na to. Hindi lang para sa pera, but of course, let's be honest, malaking factor yung pera. But you also grab it for growth. You grab it for character development, for self-awareness. You're setting yourself up to a lot of opportunities to grow abroad. You may not aspire to totally settle there. And I understand. Naintindihan ko kayo, guys. Pero, if you live your life in a space where you are part of minority, you would realize a lot of things. And a life is gonna humble you. That is also gonna threaten you. Some of you might be too scared to do it because you don't know how to fly. All you're gonna do is to spread your wings and eventually you learn how to, because the sky is so wide. And I'm not even talking about the skies. Take it easy, guys. Saka yung iba kasi natatakot mag-abroad talaga. Natatakot na baka hindi makaipon. Natatakot kasi ibang tao yung makakasalamuha. Pero isipin nyo na lang yung future nyo. Na need natin mag-ipon, suportahan ang ating pamilya, at suportahan din talaga natin yung sarili natin. Lagi din natin uunahin ang ating sarili. Lalong-lalo na yung kalusugan natin, guys. Kapag nag-abroad ka talaga, dito mo marirealize na gaano kahalaga talaga ang ating kalusugan. Kasi pag nagkasakit ka, wala namang tutulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo lang. Pero ika nga, health is wealth. Kaya kung maaari, wag na tayo magbisyo, mag-inom, manigarilyo, mag-vape. Unahin muna natin yung kalusugan natin. Ayan po, mag-uwi na po yung first batch. Sila Kuya Christian, tuwang bago mag-uwi, nag-serve po muna ako ng mga ilang orders. Ka-duty for Sir Khalid and sa bisita niya. Naglinis na din ako ng aking tiro na palabas na kami, guys. Napakaliwanag pero malamig. Taas ng sikat ng araw pero malamig. Nga pala si Sahil, nagbablog din yan.
Oh. गिरीश का गाना सुनेगा? बोलो ना. गिरीश का बात. गिरीश का गाना सुनेगा.
Sasakyan na kami kay tatay. Yun lang, guys. Goodbye. God bless.